What's up, Kavari crew? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm doing a 2-hour transformation on this date night hair and makeup look. I'm so in love with this makeup. It's so simple and pretty, just a little smoky liner, and then for my hair, I also curled it as well. So before we get into this video, I just want to give a quick shout out to my friends over at Foxy Bay. So this is the hair curler I actually used today, so I just want to talk about it a little bit before we get into today's video. This is the Foxy Bay 7-in-1 rose gold curling iron set. So I've used this curling iron for years. So you guys see I have mine open right here, but they actually sent me an unopened one, a new one, so I can show you guys how the product comes. So this curling iron is amazing. It's the only curling iron I've used for the past few years, and that is honestly because it comes with so many different types of barrels. So you guys see it comes with 7 interchangeable barrels. So you have so many looks in one, which is so great. Like imagine if you had all 7 of these curling irons like completely separate. That would just take up way too much space. But if you're someone who just wants one particular look, they also do sell these curling irons separate as well. So the curling iron is really cool because they're rose gold titanium barrels. So they make your curls look so shiny, so pretty, and they last so long. As you guys can see, this set has a digital temperature control, which is really cool. A lot of curling irons do not have this. So this is great, especially if you have color treated hair, so you can control what temperature you're using. So it keeps your hair looking healthy and shiny. Like you don't need to be curling your hair at like 450 degrees. You know, you can customize it to your specific hair type, and that's just really great for color treated hair and just keeping your hair nice and healthy. Honestly, if you have no idea what to get someone as a gift, this is the move, okay? I would absolutely love this if someone got me this for a gift, but this is great for your mom, your sister, your cousin, your daughter. Just it's so great for so many different occasions like graduation or birthdays. This is just such a great gift to give someone. It really is something that they'll definitely use. So if you guys want to check out this curling iron, I'll put a link to it down below, and make sure you guys use my code NAZ60 for 60% off site-wide. So this is not just for the curling iron, this is also for their hair products as well. So I also use their heat protectant, and also I talk about their hair mask later on in the video. So they have really cool and cute little hair products as well on there. So if you guys are interested in that as well, make sure you guys use my code. Again, link down below, and enough with me talking, and let's just get into this look. Go ahead and prime. I'm using my Milk Makeup Hydro Grip Primer. This has honestly been one of my favorite primers lately. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply this all over my skin. Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. I am so freaking happy I purchased this foundation again because this finish is insane. Like it is the perfect satin finish. It's not like crazy matte to the point where it's like drying out your face, and it's not too dewy. I don't like super dewy foundations either. It's like that happy medium. I'm telling you guys, this is what I do in my free time. I'll watch my old makeup tutorials from back in the day and be like, why did I stop using that bronzer? Why did I stop using that lipstick? I like rediscover products again. It's really cool. I'm really trying to make it a habit to put every makeup product I use back in my drawers right away, because I have this really bad habit of just leaving stuff open and just like leaving it all over my makeup vanity. And I'm telling you guys have seen my productive Sundays. I let my makeup vanity get so bad, and it's just like, girl, I can't do that anymore. So I'm really trying to put everything back as I go. Let's see if I actually keep it up. For concealer, I'm taking the Kylie Cosmetics concealer. This one's in the shade Sand. I really do love this concealer. It just sucks that you can only get it online, but I repurchased this one. I already went through a full tube, so I really do like the applicator. I love the formula. I'm gonna let this sit on my face for a little bit because concealer, when you let it dry down a little bit, it gives you a lot more coverage. So I'm also, while I wait, I'm gonna go ahead and contour. Ooh, almost dropped this. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I absolutely love this for contour. But for powder, you guys know my ride or die powder. I don't think I'm ever gonna switch powders after trying this one. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake powder in the shade Banana Bread. literally the best finish of powder I've ever tried in my life. Your skin can look so textured, but the second you pounce this on, I'm telling you, your skin is instantly airbrushed. It's crazy. For my eyebrows, I found that the more I fill them in and the more I do to them, the worse they look. So honestly, lately, I've just been loving the Glossier Boy Brow. I'll just comb this through my eyebrows and call it a damn day, because when I do too much with filling them in, they always just look so bad. So I'm just going to brush them up. And then going back to my Kylie Cosmetics concealer, I'm going to use this to clean up the brows and also prime a little bit for our eyeshadow. Just going to dab this on, and then I just take a little flat brush and just clean it up. It might seem like I'm rushing in this video, but then again, this is a 2-hour transformation and my makeup alone takes me like an hour, so I'm trying to beat the 2-hour time limit. So I wasn't sure what palette to use, and I went through my drawer and I was like, why don't I just use my girl Daisy's palette? So this is from BH Cosmetics, or collab with BH Cosmetics. So I'm gonna be using the browns in there, even though there's a ton of beautiful colors. You guys know me, I'm a neutral, smoky type of girl. So I am going to use this shade Dulce up here, this like matte brown as a crease color. What's cool about this palette is the mirror pops on like this. So it's like a little stand of vanity. I actually changed my mind about the tape because I want the crease colors to be very blown out. The only thing I really want winged is the smoky wing that I'm trying to do. So I'm also gonna pop in the, where is it? I can't, oh, here it is. I'm gonna use my Hoola bronzer because this is a really pretty color, but this is a lot more warm tone than I wanted. So I'm gonna mix in Hoola bronzer and just kind of mix that on top. I think that will make like a really pretty mix. And then I'll pop the tape on just for the smoky liner. I actually decided I don't want to use the tape at all because I felt like when I took it off, it just made way too sharp of a line, a little bit more than I wanted. So I'm actually just gonna take a little like primer and just use the edge to do the smoky eye. So now, what are we gonna use? We're gonna take, I'm gonna smudge the liner, I'm gonna smudge the black liner, and then I'm gonna go in with the brown and black from Daisy's palette, the color Cocoa and Matter. I'm gonna use those two. So I'm gonna grab my LA Girl Ultimate Eye Intense Stay Auto Liner for the smoky liner. So I'm grabbing the shade Cocoa from the palette, which is a dark brown, and I'm using that to smudge the liner the most. I'm done with this side. Again, I just wanted it really subtle, just very, you know, I didn't want anything too harsh. So I'm just gonna go ahead and repeat that on the other eye, and then we can go ahead and pop on some lashes. Again, guys, I'm super simple with my eyeshadow, so this I think is just like really pretty and it flatters the eye really well. So I'm just gonna do it on the other eye and then I'll be right back. Finally done with the eyeshadow. I'm just wiping away that bake I previously put on. I had some eyeshadow fall under my eyes, so good thing I didn't wipe the bake off yet because now it just like flicks off really easily. So now we can move on to the rest of the face. I'm gonna put on lashes last. I don't know, I just like putting them on last. Like I like lips and lashes to be like the little icing on the cake and the little, you know, the sprinkles. So I'm just gonna go ahead and bronze up using, again, Hoola bronzer. Just gonna put this all over. I grabbed my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and I'm just cleaning up the bronzer. For blush, I'm grabbing one of my favorite blushes of all time. This is the Bobbi Brown blush in the shade Nectar. It's so pretty. I'm just gonna put this on the apples of my cheeks. For highlighter, you guys know how I feel about highlighter, so I'm just gonna use the teensiest bit of this one. This is MAC Oh Darling. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my cheekbones. Mascara, lashes, lips, done. So for mascara, I'm taking the BH Cosmetics Stellar Lash Mascara. You guys know I'm like kind of the face of this mascara, you know, humbly speaking. This is a really good mascara and it's super affordable. BH Cosmetics really is one of my favorite affordable brands. Like their products are crazy. Like all these eyeshadows were BH Cosmetics and they honestly compared to a lot of high-end brands. And I do have a coupon code BH. If you use the code Nazanin, you can get a discount at checkout. So I'm just gonna pop this on my lashes. For lip liner, I'm going to take this one here from MAC in the shade Cork. I'm all about using a lip brush. I don't know where lip brushes have been all my life, but I like to use this to smudge out the liner so it doesn't look as harsh when I use a nude lipstick. Not sure what I want to use for my lip color. Definitely nude, you guys know me, but I don't know. I have like 3,000 nudes. What's this one? Japanese Maple. That's always a great option. I just got this in the mail from Revlon. Let's see if maybe I like this color. No. This is too pinky. Pure Hollywood from Anastasia Beverly Hills, maybe. Yes, this is the color I wanted. Okay, so now we can finally move to hair. Now, I always just wear my hair straight. It's so boring, so I want to go ahead and curl it. So as you guys saw at the beginning, I mentioned which curling iron I'm going to be using. I'm using the Foxy Bay 7-in-1 Rose Gold curling iron set. So this is the barrel I chose for today. This is a pretty large barrel. I wanted my curls to be very loose and pretty and sexy, so this is the size that I'm going with. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some heat protectant all over my hair, and this one's from Foxy Bay as well. This is the Cool AF. Well, their AF stands for N Foxy heat protectant spray. First of all, their packaging is really, really cute. Like overall, their packaging is just absolutely adorable. This is their hair mask as well. I just wanted to show you guys. So I actually used this last time I washed my hair, and this has argan oil in it. And what else? Argan oil, coconut extract, shea butter, biotin, just a lot of good stuff to really ensure your hair is really smooth and frizz-free, which let me tell you, it made my hair feel like silk. They come in little packages, like little drink packets. It's so cute. So I love how they're individually packaged, so even if you like travel, it's really easy just to throw this in your suitcase or anything like that. So the heat protectant has biotin in it, so it's really, really good for your hair. But regardless, the smell, oh my gosh, this smells amazing, bro. Like, it's like hair perfume. So I'm just spraying this all over, and I'm gonna comb it in. And you know what I just thought of? It's gonna be really hard for you guys to see my hair when I'm wearing a brown robe. So I'm gonna switch into a lighter color robe so you guys can actually see what I'm doing. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then we can get to curling. Okay, so that looks way better. So I'm gonna first start out by parting my hair into 2 different sections just to make it easy. And then I'm gonna go ahead and take 1/2 of my hair and divide this into 2 sections. This is what I do when I straighten as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and separate the hair. Since we're using a big iron, we are going to be using bigger pieces, which is great because we are on a time crunch. So for each curl, I'm going to grab about 1 inch of hair. It actually looks a little bit more than an inch. Let's do a little bit less. This much hair. I'm going to use this much hair for each curl, and I'm going to curl them all away from my face just so it's very like bombshell and sexy and just like, so grabbing this hair, grabbing my curling iron, and I'm just going to take this away from my face. And I'm just going to hold it on the barrel, let's say 10-15 seconds. I am gonna let this cool down in my hand, and if you guys are scared of the heat or anything, as you guys saw at the beginning, it does come with a glove, but you know, I'm a professional at this. We don't need a glove. I'm just joking, but I just prefer not to use the glove. So I like to feel the pain. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all over my head. And I'm probably gonna end up fast forwarding. I'll show you guys this section, but I'm gonna end up fast forwarding so I can like listen to music, watch Netflix, all that good stuff. Letting the curl cool down in this form is gonna help your curls last a long time. I mean, they're gonna last a while just because this is the rose gold titanium anyway, but just letting it cool down like this will really just help ensure your curls last. So I'm gonna do that throughout my whole head. So that is it for this little section of hair. I'm just gonna go ahead and apply hairspray. I'm someone, I like to apply hairspray to every section that I finish. I know some people like to do their whole head and then spray. I'm a spray as I go type of girl, so I'm just gonna go ahead, spritz that to the next section. So I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward throughout the rest of this so I can watch some Netflix. You guys saw I just finished Scandal. The ending was very underwhelming, but I'm really sad because like that was 7 seasons long, guys. A 7-season long show. And like when it's done, it's just like you feel like a part of you is like a chapter of your life is like closed. Am I the only weirdo that thinks that? But I genuinely have like withdrawals. Like they were like my friends. I would watch Scandal literally 24/7. So I need a new show to watch. I know a lot of you guys say to watch How to Get Away with Murder. I watched the first episode. I'm like halfway through the second, and it's just not, it's not enticing me the way Scandal did. Maybe because I watched Scandal first. I don't know. You just gotta give it more of a chance. But How to Get Away with Murder isn't like speaking to my soul like Scandal did, which I'm really upset about. So I don't know what I'm gonna watch, but we're gonna watch something and finish up the rest of this hair. Okay, so that is it for this hair and makeup look. Again, if you guys are interested in the curling iron, my coupon code is NAZ60 for 60% off site-wide. Not just the curling iron, we can also get the discount on all of their hair products like the hair mask and the heat protectant. So I'll also link all the makeup products down below as well. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you guys decide to try it out, make sure to tag me on Instagram or Twitter. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you again for my next video. Bye, everyone.